Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where for some reason your Snapchat score is stuck and it's not updating. Now, thankfully for you, it may not even be a problem for you, which is good because it may be a problem on Snapchat. So, as you can see, I posted a story yesterday, got no love, even though I literally have thousands of people on Snapchat, doesn't make any sense. But add me on Snapchat if you want to, my lovely people who are watching. I never post. This is the first time I posted all year, but in order to fix this, basically my Snapchat score has been stuck at this because I never, Snapchat on here. But there can be cases where Snapchat on their back end just haven't quite, gotten up to date or, upgraded their servers enough to necessarily go and push an update to the Snap scores. Now, there could be cases, and I've seen this a lot in a lot of my comment sections, people saying, well, my cousin or my friend is able to see my Snap score and it's actually higher than what my Snap score is actually showing me. Now, the reason this is there's a couple different reasons. One, like I said, the servers within Snapchat just haven't updated it to all the apps. So one person may be able to see your score and see like, oh, it's higher, but a few other people may be able to see and still see that same score that you had before. So that's basically just means that you're just going to have to wait until Snapchat upgrades their servers, basically for everyone to see the score, which is really annoying. It's just something that's really dumb, but you're going to have to wait. Now, if you don't think that's necessarily the problem, that's basically like the back end, like always consistent problem that may just be arising. If that doesn't really seem to be the case, or if you want to try troubleshooting it some more, what I would recommend doing is actually deleting Snapchat from your device and reinstalling it. So pretty much just hold down the app on iOS and Android, click remove app, fully delete it from your device, then go back into the App Store and reinstall it. That typically should end up fixing that issue for the most part. From what I've seen, it's not really like, especially if you're seeing other people seeing your score and it's higher, then that's probably the best thing you can do is, fully deleting the app, going back into it, logging back in, and then, actually going through and, checking your score. Now, if that doesn't end up working or if you don't want to delete the app, you can at least go and update the app. If there is an update out available for Snapchat at that time, then go ahead and update to it. That's probably your best bet, and that's probably the best way to go ahead and save yourself some time of even like reinstalling it and all that stuff. Just update it, see if that fixes it. If that doesn't fix it, then go ahead and delete the app and reinstall it. Now, let's say none of those things work and you're pretty much stuck at a dead end. Another thing which you can do is check the comment section of this video, check Twitter, check a lot of other places, even check the Snapchat subreddit and see if a lot more people are, complaining about their Snap scores as well. If that ends up being the case, then again, you're in good company. That basically means that Snapchat is probably going to be pushing out an update very, very soon. Typically, when you see a number like this and it's stuck and all that, typically it just means that Snapchat just hasn't updated their servers like I stated before. So you're just going to have to wait for them to kind of refresh all the data and then you'll be able to see it here. So that's pretty much what I would do in that case from what I've read. That's pretty much how to fix it. So if you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.